Well, this is a controversy that broke out at the PM-CM's meet. In fact, after the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal presented his arguments and concerns in the meeting, the CMO shared the CM's address live. Now, after that, Prime Minister Modi pulled up Chief Minister Kejriwal for this live broadcast, and he said that this is against protocol and this kind of an in-house meeting should not be telecast live. Immediately after that, Arvind Kejriwal then apologized as well and said that he would keep this in mind for the next time. This Delhi Chief Minister's office has also now released a statement explaining why they did put out the live broadcast and also apologizing for the same.
ये हमारी जो परंपरा है, हमारे जो प्रोटोकॉल है, उसके बहुत खिलाफ हो रहा है कि कोई मुख्यमंत्री ऐसी इन हाउस मीटिंग को लाइव टेलीकास्ट करें। ये उचित नहीं है। ये हमने हमेशा संयम पालन करना चाहिए।
ठीक है सर, इसका ध्यान रखेंगे आगे से। अगर सर मेरी तरफ से कोई गुस्ताखी हुई है, मैंने कुछ कठोर बोल दिया, मेरे आचरण में कोई गलती है, तो उसके लिए मैं माफी चाहता हूं।
Ayushman is still with us here. Ayushman, obviously the Prime Minister was not happy with the fact that Arvind Kejriwal, allowed his part to get broadcast live because this is supposed to be an in-house meeting where all the issues are supposed to be put onto the table, and the Prime Minister then pulled up Arvind Kejriwal.
Clearly, the messaging from Arvind Kejriwal was that when the state is really in confusion, there are reports that trucks are being held up at the borders. He really didn't know where to go, whom to approach, which official to talk. And that was clearly live casted, which properly was not the custom which the center says. And currently, Avni, we have been told by the center that there is a protocol which is followed when you are talking with the Prime Minister, and it cannot be live.
Yes, absolutely, Ayushman. But stay with us. Let's in fact just play out that part of what Arvind Kejriwal said during this meeting that was also telecast live earlier on.
इस वक्त दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत बड़ा ऑक्सीजन का क्राइसिस चल रहा है, जिसमें आपकी मदद चाहिए। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी, सबसे पहले आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि केंद्र सरकार ने दिल्ली का ऑक्सीजन का कोटा बढ़ा दिया है। लेकिन सर, मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूं कि इस बढ़े हुए ऑक्सीजन के कोटे को दिल्ली तक पहुंचाने में हमारी मदद करें। अगर दिल्ली में ऑक्सीजन की फैक्ट्री नहीं है, तो क्या दिल्ली के 2 राज्य में ऑक्सीजन की फैक्ट्री है, क्या वो दिल्ली की ऑक्सीजन रोक सकते हैं? ऐसे में हम क्या करें? आज ये जानना चाहता हूं कि अगर आज या कल या किसी भी टाइम हमारे दिल्ली के किसी अस्पताल में अगर 1 घंटे की, आधे घंटे की, 2 घंटे की ऑक्सीजन बच जाए और लोगों की मरने की नौबत आ जाए, तो मैं फ़ोन उठा के केंद्र सरकार में किससे बात करूं? सर, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि अगर कोई राज्य दिल्ली के कोटे की ऑक्सीजन का ट्रक रोक ले, तो मैं फ़ोन उठा के किससे बात करूं? हालत काफ़ी ज़्यादा गंभीर हो चुके हैं सर। हम अपने लोगों को मरने के लिए तो नहीं छोड़ सकते।
But Ayushman, that was what in fact Arvind Kejriwal had said, and he was being extremely upfront about the situation in Delhi, which of course is extremely urgent and an emergency case at this point in time, because like we've been pointing out over the last few days, you've been reporting as well, so many hospitals have been coming out and talking about the oxygen shortage being faced, literally living on an hour-by-hour basis and running down to the last hour literally of oxygen.
Yes, Avni, and that was perhaps the message Arvind Kejriwal wanted to convey to people of Delhi, that even he is not clear of the idea where he has to approach for the current situation, and that is why he has put it up front in front of the Prime Minister, and he perhaps wanted to convey it. Maybe the timing was wrong, and that's why he was reprimanded by the Prime Minister. But he clearly said that he doesn't know as to which officer has to be called in to know how the trucks can come to the national capital, where the hospitals are really finding it extremely difficult to have the medical oxygen.
All right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Meanwhile, let's just focus a little bit more on the situation in Delhi, because over the last few days, we've been seeing how the oxygen supply into many hospitals has been running extremely thin, and a lot of lives are being put at risk as a result. Several hospitals have stopped fresh admissions as well because they've run out of supply. Meanwhile, the bickering among states also seems to be continuing over oxygen.
इस वक्त दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत बड़ा ऑक्सीजन का क्राइसिस चल रहा है, जिसमें आपकी मदद चाहिए। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी, सबसे पहले आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि केंद्र सरकार ने दिल्ली का ऑक्सीजन का कोटा बढ़ा दिया है। लेकिन सर, मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूं कि इस बढ़े हुए ऑक्सीजन के कोटे को दिल्ली तक पहुंचाने में हमारी मदद करें। अगर दिल्ली में ऑक्सीजन की फैक्ट्री नहीं है तो क्या दिल्ली के 2 करोड़ लोगों को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगी? जिस राज्य में ऑक्सीजन की फैक्ट्री है, क्या वो दिल्ली की ऑक्सीजन रोक सकते हैं?